What is up, guys? This is Josh, the DIY car guy, coming to you live from the OBS truck. This truck, when I barely purchased it, the lights were, this is a 97, it's an old body style truck, so the lights, as you can expect, were definitely not bright. They were halogen lights. You couldn't really see out where you were going. I'm not even kidding, it was scary driving on the highway. So what I did is I swapped out the lights, I swapped out the light bulbs for some LEDs. Today I'm out here, I came for a mountain bike ride. It's the sun hasn't really came out, it's about to come out. And so I wanted to show you just how bright the LEDs were. I'll link them up in a different video with a couple other parts that I've gotten for this pickup, for this OBS. But I just want to show you how bright these lights are. So this is the front of the pickup. Bam. And you can see these are super bright. They look pretty good from outside of the truck. I'm gonna come out here. Look at the beautiful scenery. Oh my goodness, super nice. But anyways, I did swap out these the housing, and that's what the lights look like at night. All kinds of visibility. I'm telling you, before, when I would turn them on, they were yellow. You couldn't see much. You couldn't really see much. The other thing I did is I added a light bar, and I'll link up in a different video what kind of light bar it is. It was super inexpensive, and it makes a huge difference. I ran the wiring into my dash. This is where the light bar goes, and if I hit a little switch, I'll show you guys what it looks like out there. Bam, look at the difference. That's with the light bar, and this is without it. So that makes a huge difference, and I'll go outside so you guys can see that too. Bam, there you go. Excuse me, this is night and day right here, so huge difference, huge upgrade for these pickups, for these trucks. I would definitely recommend you change the housing and the light bulbs. This is with the light bar off, and the high beams, they work too. So again, you need visibility. You can only go as fast as you can see, I always say, and so it's definitely a really good upgrade for these pickups. I'll link it up in a different video because I got to do some research and look for the links, but I would definitely recommend them. The light bulbs, I want to say, were about $50-$60, and the light bar was probably about $80, so very inexpensive. Another cool feature that I'll show you, some of the other upgrades that I did, is this backup camera. I wired it here. It goes off of the rear view mirror, and it's super cool. Sometimes I haul stuff, and it's cool to see what's back there. The video's doing it no justice, but the view's pretty damn good, so I would recommend this camera. I'll also link it up in a different video, just so you can check that out. This is Josh, DIY car guy, coming to you with some upgrades for the OBS pickup. Hopefully you liked it. If you found some value, if you have any questions about the install or the lights, I haven't had any problems with the light bar, the light bulbs heating up or going out. I've had them on here for about, I want to say, maybe a year or so. The camera too, it's been solid. Everything's been solid. So again, like the video, subscribe, and then I'll try to put some more upgrades or some other things that I've done to this pickup or some of the other vehicles that I own. All right, Josh, DIY car guy, signing out. It's time for me to get this mountain bike ride. Sun's coming up, trying to come down before the sun goes up. So have a good day.